So in this video, you'll learn how to give administration access to your Google Ads account so they can create ads for you on your behalf. All right. So Google changes the user interface of Google Ads all the time. So what you're gonna do is gonna look something similar like this. Okay. So something similar like this, or maybe you even have the personal account, which is something like this. It looks something like this. And what you're basically going to do is go to the sidebar here. If you're in your MCC account, sidebar here, and go to security, and all you have to do is press add, and you would type in the email of whoever's email that you're trying to give access to, and go ahead and put standard so they can create account for you, and then you go ahead and press invite, and they should receive that, and they can accept it, and they're gonna see it on their end. Okay. If you are on your personal ad account, all you have to do is go to your sidebar again, go to accounts, go to sub account settings, and you're gonna do the same exact thing. You're just gonna create sorry, it's administration still. Yep, not that one. Access and security, admin source, and access and security. It should pop up. Why isn't this popping up? There it is. There you go. And then you would do the same exact thing. Go ahead and put the email standard, and then send the invite, and they should receive it on their end. And once they receive it, you should see something like this, where their name or their email address is gonna pop up here, and then you can remove access anytime you want. So let's say here, for example, this guy, I can remove access for him, right? Alright, so that's it for now. Bye.